We will be tackling the drug education. So let's proceed.
So what are drugs? Drug, a substance that causes changes in the body or mind with taking. But it depends on the people on how they use it, if they abuse it or not. Legal drugs. Drugs allowed by law usually prescribed by the doctor. For example, paracetamol and other medicine. Illegal drugs, substances banned by law due to harmful effects like shabu, marijuana, and others.
Okay, next, the example of legal drugs. The prescription by doctor is paracetamol and painkiller that is you can use if they give you advice to use that. And then the illegal drugs is the substance like shabu and marijuana. That is a illegal drug that can affect high emotions and illegal means the peak performance from the sports. Commonly abused drugs abuse using drugs is harmful for unsafe way. Kumbaga, ginagamit lang yung drugs para sa pangsasariling kapag hindi sa ginagamit para sa mga karapat-dapat na sakit na kailangang pagalingan. For example, alcohol, tobacco, inhalants, and shabu and marijuana. So, effect of drugs abuse, physical, weight loss, illness, and poor hygiene. And then sa mental, poor focus, anxiety, and hallucinogens. Emotional, mood swings, depression, and irritability.
So the next one is how to say no to peer pressure. Peer pressure. Influence from others to do something. For example, like my age. So this is my brother. We are the same age, and my brother is taking a drugs. So my brother is advising me or influencing me to do or take drugs. The next one is often risky ways to say no. No, I don't do that. So some people or some of us are influencing us to take drugs, but yeah, we say no, I don't do that to avoid being abused. To avoid using drugs. Suggest another activity, walk away, or ask for help. So the next one is role of sports and activity. Physical activity, movement that improves health. Example, sports exercise. Benefits, boost mood, reduces stress, builds discipline. So this kind of activities helps us to avoid taking drugs and abuse drugs.
So, in conclusion, drug education helps us understand the dangers of drugs abuse and how to make smart choices by learning about legal and illegal drugs, their harmful effects, and how we handle peer pressure. We can protect our health and well-being. Staying active through sports and health habits gives us a positive way to spend our time and avoid risky behavior. Remember, making good decisions today leads to better and healthier future.
So let's now proceed to the healthy eating habits. So a balanced diet is crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being. Provides essential nutrients. A balanced diet supplies your body with your vital nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals needed for energy, growth, and repair. Yes, a balanced diet can help your body to maintain or rather get nutrients from different food, wherein we can, with that nutrients, we are able to perform better compared to diet. So a balanced diet is crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being. Provides essential nutrients. A balanced diet supplies your body with vital nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals needed for energy, growth, and repair. Promote good mental health. Nutrient-rich food supports brain function and emotional well-being, helping to reduce stress and anxiety. Boost immunity. Nutrients like vitamin C, zinc, and protein strengthen the immune system, helping the body fight infections. And lastly, supports healthy growth and development, especially important for children and teenagers. A balanced diet ensures proper physical and mental development.
eating foods. These foods provide carbohydrates and fats, which give the body energy to move and stay active. So, the examples of foods, of raw foods is rice, bread, corn, and bananas. Somehow, the raw foods, body-built foods. These foods help build and repair muscles, bones, and other tissues. The example foods is fish, milk, cheese, beans, and tofu. So for low foods, body-protecting foods. These foods are rich in vitamins and minerals that keep the skin healthy, improve eyesight, and boost immune system. So the example foods in the low foods is fruits, mangoes, orange, vegetables, carrots, and spinach. Filipino foods that naturally nutritious. Of course, pinakbet. Next is sinigang, laing, of course. Encourage using fresh native ingredients like malunggay and kamote.
Next is the negative effect of too much sugar. The first negative effect is weight gain and obesity. Next is increased risk of diabetes. And lastly is tooth decay. And the negative effect of too much salt naman is number 1, high blood pressure. Number 2 is heart disease and stroke. 3 is kidney damage. And here are some simple tips for making good food choice every day. Number 1, choose whole food. Next is read nutrition level. Number 3 is drink water instead of sugar drinks. Number 4 is control portion size. And lastly, eat more vegetables and fruits.
Thank you. So what kind of illegal drugs are here in the Philippines? Yes?
Sir, marijuana.
Okay, thank you everyone. And for the last question, what's the importance of having a healthy eating habit? Yes.
Ano sir, para maging healthy.
Yes.
Yan. Then, thank you. Thank you.